Welcome back. This video will explain how to work with the Universal To-Do Lists slider panel. I'm going to click the fifth dot here, which takes me to the Universal To-Do List. Now this list is different than the checklist to-do list, which is designed for each individual patient, so you can track any number of different tasks oriented for those patients. The universal to-do list is something that can be used for your whole office and by each of your staff members, just to make sure that certain things are getting done. So in this particular case, I can set up my staff initials right here by just clicking the word edit and putting those in. And when you choose a different staff member, then the color can be changed to whatever preference that you want for those. Over here we're going to put the item, which I can use from a drop-down list. Again, I can edit that if I want to do a number of to-do items often, so I can put those on a drop-down list, or I could simply type something in just like I'm doing right here. So it's relatively easy to put that information in. Once I do that, I can again just periodically check the to-do list and see if there's something that I haven't accomplished. I can click the detail button next to that, and then I can see that there's a little bit more information. I can categorize that if I choose to, and then I can add or see additional information that really just isn't room for it on the smaller screen there. And finally, I can put a complete task by date right here. So for example, I could say I want to make sure that I accomplish that date there. So I'm going to close that and then show you one other thing. I can expand, and that makes my to-do list larger so that it's a bit more readable. And again, this can expand to see additional information, even though it generally shows one or two lines there. So one other option that I have is in the setup area here, I can set HearForm to automatically open the universal to-do list when I first start the program. So you can check that. You can also check your recall list instead, or you can just say, no, I don't want it to check anything. So let's go back to the home screen. By default, again, it's not showing, but you can click the fifth button and delete something just like that, and it will delete that particular item once you've accomplished it, or you can simply keep it in there for a while for some other reason. So that's how you work with the universal to-do list in section B.